All right, just got my two ramps here. We got two of these, that actually four, that you set up on each corner if you want to mount it into the actual cement. Now these are going to help you elevate so you can bring things up and down, especially including cars. There is a centerpiece I'm going to show you guys here on the side. This one, in case you need to run any cables on it. Recommend you guys wear gloves because the actual rubber smell stays in your hand for quite a while, and all the protective stuff that it's included with it. Let's put these together. You can put them in your entrance, you can put them in your exits. This is perfect if you're going to elevate this for maybe wheelchairs, dollies, or any steep low cars that you have. This is perfect increasing. Now it does have holes for two reasons on the sides: for water flow and also cabling, in case you have to run some cable underneath of it. But this is perfect if you have an RV, if you want to elevate the ramp. This is perfect.